Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're not subscribed, make sure you go ahead and hit that red subscribe button down below. It's completely free, and thank you so much. So anyways, today we're going to be making a DIY bookmark. What you're going to need is a cardboard, sorry about that, some scissors, some sort of tape, some stickers of some sort. So let's go ahead and start. You might want a ruler, but it depends on what size. It doesn't really matter. So first you're just going to start by cutting your cardboard to the size that you want your bookmark to be, depending on how big of a bookmark you want. So then if you want to trim it up after that, you can. Subscribe to this channel, why not? Some really bad cutting. So then what you're going to do after that, I mean, you can make sure you cut it better than I did, obviously. That's not very good. You can also trim it up a little bit if you want it a little bit shorter, depending on. So anyways, then we're going to go ahead and take that off. Then what we're going to do is I'm going to take this Sparkly Fun tape, and then I'm going to go ahead and just peel off the whatchamacallit, the non-sticky layer. So I'm just going to wrap it around like so. Then I'm going to kind of fold down anything that's left. Okay. Then I'm going to take this piece of tape and do the same thing pretty much. I think I'm going to kind of do that all the way down. Or maybe not. I kind of like that so far, so that's what I'm going to do. So then that's kind of what it looks like in the back for right now. And I'm just going to alternate what colors I do. So yeah. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more YouTube videos like that. Hopefully you can't hear the TV in the background. Yeah, my dad is currently watching TV, so I'm sorry about that. Hopefully you cannot hear that. So then we're just going to add some more, and we're just going to do the same thing with the tape. And it doesn't have to be perfectly aligned or whatever. And then since we have some more tape, some ASMR for you guys for a little bit. We're just going to keep doing this until we have it all the way. Or now we can add a sticker. Let's say we want a unicorn sticker. We can go ahead and add one in the middle of that or on top of it. Like, let's say we want to leave some. I'm just going to go ahead and add this unicorn sticker here. And then I'm going to take another piece of this and do the same thing that I did earlier. So it's actually kind of really cute so far. And just kind of stick that. Then I'm going to take another piece of this. You can also give this as like a gift to someone if they read a lot or something. And take off that paper. And then I'm going to put this here. To kind of overlap it a little bit. Like the other one looks. And then I'm going to finish it off with this. Then we're just going to add the last little piece. Kind of get it as close to the where you want it. Anyways, there you go. They have a DIY really cute bookmark. And okay, you can also decorate the back too and like add tape, but you don't have to. But if you're giving this as a gift, I would. This would be a cute gift to someone who reads. So here's what it's going to look like in a book. So we're going to put this in a book that's blank. So like, or like a writing book, and there you go. Then you can just turn to the page that you're on. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please, here, I'm going to zoom in real quick. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Hopefully this helped you out. Anyway, see y'all. Have a great, beautiful, wonderful day. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank y'all so much. See y'all. Have a great day.